What I'd like to show you today is a way to um, know if your mom is like opening the door at night when she shouldn't, or maybe leaving the door open. Now, the problem is she only has cable TV and a flip phone, or maybe a landline. So it's hard to do any smart home automation, except if you have a cell-based modem like this from YoLink. Now this can talk to their devices. In this case, I have a door sensor here. You can see it, and here's the hub. And you see it's connected with LTE. It could be connected with Wi-Fi or Ethernet if you had that, and then you wouldn't have to pay for the cell subscription. So let me show you how this works. So you'd have this app on your phone, and when the door opens, you get a notification, closes, get a notification. Now that's a lot of notifications. So you can choose when they run. Here, you could pick a time of day, like maybe just at night. There's one other automation I have here, which is door left open. And in this case, at a preset time, if she fails to close it, you'll get a different notification. And this one I've marked urgent, and I'll show you how that works, which will end up sending an SMS message. So let me go back here. Oh yeah, I want to show you how to set the door open time. I go into the device, tap here, right there, the reminders. Now let me show you how you pick what kind of alerts you get. If you go into settings, alarm strategies, by default, I just do the app and email. For urgent, I add text. Okay, so let's see how that works. So if I go back and just sitting here, and I'm going to let it stay open, which is what I picked for an urgent message. Left open. Okay, and there's our message. So you could not even use all those notifications, just use urgent messages, for example. Now, once this is installed, you could add things like leak sensors, motion sensors, temp sensors, and you can see I set it for both email and text, so I got both in there. So it's a pretty nice little system, and these are LoRa based, which means long range, so they don't use Wi-Fi. They use their own system, and they work really well. Batteries last a long time. And for a full description, just click on the link below, and you'll find an article where I go through a step-by-step on this.